Hey guys, this is Gavin, the fire alarm and siren guy, and I'm gonna do a tour of this school. This is the school across my street. I'm not gonna give you the name of the school due to privacy reasons, but I'm gonna just give you a little tour, alright, and show you what was in place in the old system. Okay. For starters, we got this annoying annunciator by Honeywell. It won't stop. It won't stop beeping. Got system sensor L series ceiling unit horn strobes. Speaker strobes. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can definitely see it. And there's a Honeywell pull station behind the stopper. Believe it or not, I actually saw fire alarm installers install this one when they were putting in the new system back in 2018. Right above there used to be a Siemens UMMT, and down here used to be an older STI stopper too, and behind it was a Weyer Faraday Chevron, believe it or not. Okay, this nice annunciator is starting to make my ears bleed. So annoying. Okay. In the cafeteria, we basically got the same thing. They had older Faraday smoke detectors. In this area in the school, they have older style WeWalk ASs. The ones that they look like the 4903s. I thought they were the 4903s at first, but it turns out they were the older WeWalk ASs. Okay. They gotta get this annunciator to shut up. Okay. We still got that beaten up WeWalk AS. Needs to get replaced still. But it doesn't work anymore. Where is it? Oh, here it is. This actually ended up on Season 1, Episode 8 of Fire Alarm Fails on We Love Fire Alarms. And I actually took that picture. Okay. So, zoom out. Yeah, we're gonna go where the parking lot is, which, believe it or not, they just redo the parking lot just not too long ago. It looks much newer. Okay, in the kitchen and the cafeteria. Not sure if I'm supposed to be up there or not, but no one's here, so why not? Right there used to have been an unknown pull station and a Faraday horn strobe. It was not a UMMT. I don't know the model number of it. But they're pretty rare. That's all I know. I know they're Faraday and they're rare. This school had a bunch of alarms, believe it or not. We got over there used to been a Faraday Chevron and another Faraday horn stroll, and right there next to the bathrooms used to been a Spectra Classic. And oh, it's gone now, but right there I think used to been a WeWalk RS, surprisingly. I knew, if I remember correctly, a bunch of kids that went to the school like to throw tennis balls onto that wall. And maybe if I remember correctly, that the RS is beaten up because of that. So they took that down, but I don't see why they didn't took the beaten up AS down. I don't know. Nice day outside, actually. Tomorrow is Labor Day, so I ain't gonna have school tomorrow. Okay, right here is a bell. I think it's system sensor, and below it is a Spectra Advance. That's new to the system. I should have probably went back. There's behind that portable right here used to been, I think, a non-waterproof Faraday horn, believe it or not. Or it could have been a WeWalk MT. This area is just the same, but in this gym right here, I think they had Spectra Advances. But I think those are gone now too. And believe in these other portables, they had WeWalk RS's. It's a hot day outside. You hear a bunch of cars because this school is right by a highway or something. See these train tracks? crack. I think right by down the street of that library is a Wheeling Vortex. Last month, I could have walked down there and filmed it. But instead, I just chose to stay home and film the ambience. And most of these classrooms in this school, they have Faraday strobes. The strobe versions of the Siemens UMMT. I can't tell what is in this portable, but we'll see what's in this one. Oh, yikes. Bug. I think it's a grasshopper. Grasshopper or a wasp. And this one, I think it used to be an RS in there, but they replaced, like I said, they replaced the old system with an oil voice evacuation system back in 2018. And right here is an old bell. I don't know, that is part of a fire alarm system. Oh, rats! I don't know if you can see it. There's a huge wasp nest. Oh my god. Let's just hope I don't get stunned. Hate these creatures. They gotta take care of that. I believe somewhere around these walls is another unwaterproof Faraday horn strobe. I don't get why they would put these out there, to be honest. Oh, almost tripped over. There's someone up there. I think that's in this gym, like I said, Spectral what Advanced used to be in there, but they replaced them with System Sensor L series speaker strobes. Well, I'm seeing something pretty interesting. It's basically the same. Chevron used to been there, and up there used to been a UMMT. yard is very dirty. Hope I don't. I better hope no one is in this school, because if so, I'm gonna get in trouble. I don't know what used to been there. I'm pretty sure UMT strobe only. I never went to this school. I went to another school. Right here, I'm pretty sure used to been a Javelin and UMMT. But I don't know if you can see, but there's a new Honeywell pull station installed there. So yeah, that basically includes the little tour of the school that I live across the street of. Marking the spots of the old multiplication appliances and the pull stations. Marking the spots of the old system. I don't remember what was the old panel. I wish I could have acquired the old parts of the school, but unfortunately it was too late. But when I found out when they are all gone, I was bummed out that I couldn't find it. But on that exact day, I got my Firelight BG10, but that was a high note. But in the woe vein, the woe note is I didn't got the parts of the skull, or the old parts of the skull, not even the panel. If I got a panel, that would have been great. And I would be doing system tests by now. I'm pretty sure the old panel was a Faraday panel. I don't remember. Well, anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. And one thing I forgot to mention was, this is actually the school where the fire alarm just went off randomly for like 2 days straight, until the fire department came and had to shut it off. I'll probably put a link to the video of that. So, anyway, I'll see you in the next video.